Welcome everybody to day 3 of connecting with nature. We're gonna be taking a nice cold ice bath in this freezing creek straight from a glacier. Ice cold river. Day 3 of connecting with nature. Wow, what an experience. So what am I thinking right at this moment as I fully lay in this freezing creek? The snow's been pumping into this river non-stop the past couple days, so it was cold, much colder than my ice baths. So what was I thinking at this moment? Well, I really wasn't thinking anything. Just that, wow, this is cold, but my mind was clear. My body was clear. I was just at peace. It was just me and nature. And when we can get out in nature, we can give our mind a break. We're so stressed, so busy, so frantic. When we take the time to connect with nature, we can truly just relax and let our mind be free. And you feel awesome because you did something hard. Hope you guys are out there connecting with nature, and Happy New Year, everybody.